Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new EGW Writings software for your MacBook. We have created for you a specific piece of software that you can load on your iMac or onto your MacBook that will work, say, on the latest Apple M1 architecture and soon coming M2 architecture software. You'll be able to use that software in the years to come because we'll be able to maintain it specifically for users that love to use their Macs and EGW Writings. Now, what we have done is we have built into this software a way for you to navigate through all the books that we have built. And that is what we've put into a single collection called All Collections. Now, All Collections is divided up into EGW Writings, and then we have Reference, and then we have Bible, and then we have Avernus Pioneer Collections. And with each of those collections, we have many different subcategories. So in the EGW Writings, we have the books, pamphlets, manuscripts, miscellaneous collections, letters and manuscripts, biography, and modern English. And in the reference, we have children's books and reference works and shelf documents and historical works. And in Bible, we have many different versions and concordances. And we also have commentaries and dictionaries. And then in Avernus Pioneer Library, we have many different authors from the early days of the Avernus Church and also several periodicals. All right, well, thanks for joining into this today. I'm going to now demonstrate to you what I just spoke about in the different collections and how it works. So if I come back into All Collections, and let's say I go to Devotional Book, and I open up the Faith to Live By that I'm going through. Over here, remember, in my table of contents, you can see I have the little tiny player icon. So I can come down and choose a particular day. All right, so let's come down to May 10, and I can click play there. Play, pause, click play. It plays, click pause, and it stops right there from within my table of contents. The way it is, it's playing the devotional from May 10. Let me pause it again so it's in the background. So you can play the audiobook there. And now when I click the play pause there, if I come back over to my listening history, it should show up Faith for the Day right there in my listening history. So as we just demonstrated to the different collections that we have contained in the EGW Writings, we actually have over 802,000 pages and nearly 3,000 books that we've put into the All Collection menus. If we had it in one great big long list, it would be very difficult to navigate. So what we've done is we've put them down into different collections and categories so that you can easily navigate through the whole application. Now, hopefully, as you use the app every day, or as you use it for your Bible study or note creation, or just for reading through a book, that you will start to believe and understand the reasons behind how we created this app in this sort of bookshelf system. And All Collections is like the backbone of the whole collection because it's like your library. It's the ability for you to be able to access all the books within the app. Okay, so hopefully that tutorial laid out to you how All Collections works and what its purpose for and how to use it properly. Thanks for joining us now. I'm Daryl Thompson. Have a nice day.